Hey, what's up guys, this is Pace, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install GTA 5 in any Android. And I know it is a dream of everyone to play GTA 5 on mobile, and there is so many people who can't afford to buy a PC for GTA 5. But don't worry guys, now finally we can play GTA 5 with simple APK file. Also, there are so many fake videos on the internet about the same topic, none of them works. And this video is not a clickbait or something. This trick I'm going to show you will 100% work. With this APK, everything is working. All the GTA 5 characters are there, Franklin, Michael, Trevor and all. The controls are very simple. Most of the things are working. The app is in beta stage and developer is also actively working. Now let's talk about the installation. You need to download these two files from the link in the description. Now first install the APK and open it. Now allow all the permission, then close the application. Again go to file manager, then extract the zip file. Once you extract, now open the extracted folder, then open this folder. Here you will have a OBB file, just copy it. Now go to your internal storage, then go to Android, then go to OBB, then open com.rusergames folder and paste the file here. Now close everything and find your GTA 5 app and start playing. If you want to support the dev, I'll put the credit in the description. For now only few things are working and only first mission is working. Maybe in upcoming updates you may have more levels or complete GTA 5. If I found any updates, I'll make a video on that and you can subscribe us for the future update. So guys, this is for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to do subscribe and hit the notification bell. You can also follow us on our social media. This is the Pace, sign out. Meet you soon in next video.